Santa Claus! Ho, 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 ho.
I'm going with the little pit bull and the Kobe Dean coming in.
Okay, show my guy some love.
Spot. He looks.
Hold on.
He looks.
When the fuck did Nakobe become your guy?
Whoa.
Yeah, he was arguing to let him play.
I wanted to take him in the first round.
I've been arguing to play with him all year. I've always been a proponent of him as a player. I was just a proponent of against drafting him with a top 20 pick. Third round pick, he's a steal. Second round pick, he would have been great too. Great player, just not as a top 20 pick. But he's always been my guy. So carry on.